Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So how's you? Tell me in the comment section. Today we are going to discuss on reading, and I'm going to start this video with the importance of reading. As we all know, reading is the foundation to understand complex things and interpret them to others in simple words. If you are a good reader, then you can make the optimum use of your intelligence, as reading provides you guidance and references to make better decisions. Not everyone finds enthusiasm for reading due to an inability to understand things, or you can say having no idea of what to read and how to get the maximum of it. But the inability to read doesn't harm your intelligence, as the author of book, the teacher of book who couldn't read, was a successful teacher and later business person. But he used to face difficulties in reading. The researchers have shown that many highly intellectual people struggle to read, but after getting the necessary guidance, reading can be easy and quick for them. You can also develop a good habit of reading with the right guidance. But the thing is, how reading is going to help you? It is surely going to help you in your life and career. But how it is going to help you in your life and career, you can know it in the further details. So let's know. Let's know the benefits of reading. The first benefit is sound mental health. Doing a mental exercise is as important as the physical exercise. To avoid getting affected by the mental disorders, reading helps you to continue with the sound mental conditions and reduce the negative effects of mental disorders, including forgetfulness. Make sure that you highlight the difficult words you are not familiar with. The second benefit of reading is the reduced stress. When you read something you are interested in and you can relate yourself with the topic, you start focusing totally on now rather than on other things. You may feel stressed and feel bored due to the achievements you were expecting in the past and now you cannot achieve them, but still you can feel better. If you want to achieve your goals in academics, then you must start reading related to your subject. Make sure that you are reading the subject matter expert to get the good information. The next benefit of reading is better writing skills. You can become better at writing if you are a good reader. Reading gives you better words and facts, information, etc. You can add in your writing and make it interesting for the readers. So make sure that you are reading a good piece of content to make your writing interesting and authentic at the same time. The next benefit of reading is free entertainment. You can relax at your own place without going out or looking at a screen. You can find the entertainment books through the online portals and experience it with what you understand. As you are suggested to read in the period of pandemic, so I would recommend you to read what you have at home, or the soft copies you can buy or get through various WhatsApp groups and websites. Yes, there are various WhatsApp groups and websites which can provide you free content, but if you are interested in something which is available with the paid amount, then you must pay for it. There are various other benefits of reading you can discover after you actually start reading it. If you find these things practical and helpful, then do not forget to share your experiences with us in the comment section. Knowing the benefits may even not encourage you if you are not feeling motivated to read. So you must start reading, but not forcefully, because it is not going to add values if you are not taking interest in reading. Finally, you decided to start reading your book. And now, after spending a minute, you found that you are facing problems in reading. Yay! You switched to your laptop in a while, and now you are still struggling. You can see here, no issues. We have an idea. Our idea is to follow top 5 skills to improve your writing skills. Identify your favorite subject, invest your time. Avoid distractions. Always complete and then sit. Do not worry about what you cannot understand. Follow our website to get